In this video, we're going to learn how to update or install a new version of your plugin. So the first thing you're going to need to do is access the customer dashboard on the CreativeMinds site. Click on Account, Customer Dashboard. Here you can register for an account. When you register, you can choose a username, provide your first name and last name, and the email that you used during checkout. Go ahead and register and then log into your new customer dashboard account. Okay, so now you're on the customer dashboard. You're going to navigate to My Download History, and here you'll find a list of all of your downloads. And then the files on the right-hand side are the most up-to-date versions of those plugins or extensions. So you can easily click on the file to download the plugin. This will download a zip file to your computer. The next thing you're going to need to do is visit your dashboard and deactivate the current version of the plugin if you have one. You can't run, for example, the free version and the pro version of the same plugin at the same time. This won't work. After you deactivate the plugin, you will also need to delete it. Don't be afraid when it says, are you sure you want to delete this? You're going to lose all of your files and data. When you update with a new version, all of your data will be there. So go ahead and click yes. You can completely ignore this message. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Add New Plugin and then navigate to Upload Plugin. And here you can simply upload the zip file that was downloaded from the customer dashboard and install that on your site. And don't worry, all of your information from the previous version of this plugin will transfer automatically to the newer version when you install it. So after you install that new plugin file, you're going to go back to your plugins list and go ahead and activate the new plugin. The next step is to activate the license for the plugin. You only need to activate the license if you've installed the Pro plugin for the first time. So when you're updating to the most recent version of the plugin, don't worry about activating the license and move ahead to the next step. So you can find the license back at your customer dashboard if you navigate to My Purchase History. Click on View Licenses for the order in which you purchased that plugin or extension. And here you're going to click on that golden key for the particular plugin. You'll get access to that key number. Copy that key number. Also here, if you click on Manage Sites, you can deactivate licenses that are activated on certain websites directly from your customer dashboard. Then navigate back to your dashboard, to your new plugin, and down to license. On the license page, you're going to take that copied license key, paste it in here, then click Save, and then click Activate. So you need to both save and then activate the license key in order to get this to work. And then you're done. Now we're going to talk a little bit about troubleshooting. Users can often get 404 errors when they try to get to the plugin pages and they have not set up permalinks for their website yet. So what you need to do is from your dashboard, navigate to Settings and then Permalinks. And here you need to choose a specific permalink pattern other than the default and save that configuration. And this should solve the problem if you're getting 404 errors. A second way to troubleshoot is to visit the server information found in the settings of the plugin and just make sure that all of these are coming up as okay. And here you can pinpoint an issue with the server. If you get a fatal error when you try to activate the plugin, this is a really common issue involving PHP. You need to have PHP enabled with MB string sometimes in order for this to work. So on Google, you're going to search for MB string installation, and then you should be able to solve the issue. And if not, send a support ticket to CreativeMinds. Thank you for choosing CreativeMinds.